Outdoor tour. If the places you wish to include are not yet created, you'll need to go to the destination and create them. In our case, we already have the places we want to add, such as the Cali Zoo and the El Gato del Rio. We will add at least one more place since the tour requires a minimum of 3 places. After adding the final place, you'll see that the system automatically connects the places in the shortest route. From the straight lines you will get the actual paths when you click on the button in the left top corner. You can change the order of the places anytime, just click on the 6 dots and drag it to the desired position. Once the route is generated, review it. If the auto-generated path doesn't meet your expectations, for instance, if you prefer to go through a specific street, you can manually adjust it. Use the red routing point tool to place a navigation point between places 1 and 2, and drag it to your desired position. After adjusting, regenerate the route to reflect the newest changes. If the route still doesn't work as desired, it may be due to issues with the trigger zones or terrain. The route always passes through the center of the trigger zones, and rounded trigger zones have priority. Check the trigger zones for each place, particularly if the system seems confused. If necessary, delete and create a new trigger zone that better suits your needs. If the terrain is challenging or the route is struggling to cross a square or specific area without paths drawn on the original map, you need to use more red routing pins and force the route to go where desired. If you unclick the auto-generation between places, it automatically creates a straight line, and this way of using more points you can force the route to go where you want it. If the route is still not to your liking and you have already exhausted all options, do not hesitate to contact the support team. Finally, review the entire tour to ensure all trigger zones are correctly set and that the route flows as intended. Make any final adjustments, save your work, and your tour is complete. When you update the page, see that the route length has been automatically calculated.